Alright, what's going on, guys? You know who it is. It's the Bo back here again. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about all of the different ways that I have made money on Instagram. Personally, these are the ways that I've made money. There's a ton of ways to make money online, just sending traffic anywhere. Tested all by me. I've been making money on Instagram for a long time. Really, there's a ton of different ways, and it's just up to you guys. I would recommend trying them all and trying to figure out which one is effective for your page, your type of niche, whatever. And just try them all and go for whatever works. That's what I always tell people. You guys smashed the likes on the last video, so thank you for that. And if you guys want to see the next video of how much I've made on Instagram total, I'll be showing screenshots like transactions and everything, the PayPal records. Make sure we get 200 likes on this video, and I'll post that up next video or one of the next videos coming up. But yeah, let's get into the video. So in the beginning stages of Instagram, I would always look at my competing pages, the other competitors, like the other niche pages, and I would just look at the link in their bio. I would look at their stories, everything like that. Just see what they're doing, look at what they're posting, see if they have anything in the caption, like if they're trying to redirect traffic. Every time you're trying to redirect traffic, most likely they're making money from that. So just look at competitor pages and do what they're doing on your page, try to replicate it. So one of the first ways that people can make money, they post things on their stories. Not only will this get more attention to your account, you want to put up something like this on the screen, ask a question, and then people will respond to that. Not only will Instagram see that people are engaging with your profile and they're going to promote your account more on the Instagram algorithm and the story and the feed, everyone's going to see your story. You're going to instantly know who's interested in buying or whatever item you're trying to sell. For example, my friend is running a Japan page. He's helping people book trips, he's trying to sell candy, and he's also selling shoutouts. So all you have to do is leave a comment or just post up a question on your story, and all the people that are interested are going to respond. I can show a little picture right here of what I mean, and that just kind of filters out everything, so you don't have to ask random people. You know exactly who's interested in buying whatever you have to sell at the time. So let's start off with Fiverr. This is the second method that I use to make money. Fiverr, if you don't already know, it's everything on the website starts at $5 and you can tier up. I'll sell a shout out on one of my accounts for 30 minutes for $5, and then I'll have more packages. Like I'll post on all 10 accounts for $20. That's not the actual numbers, but this is how it just tiers up on Fiverr. Usually it starts off really slow, so it doesn't really hurt to make a Fiverr account because you're going to be making money on the side from literally doing nothing. People are going to come to you and you don't have to go to them. Usually it starts off really slow until you start getting reviews. I know people that try to cheat the system and get their friends to buy it and give them a 5-star review. Not saying to do it, but just for educational purposes. So once you start getting more reviews and people are going to your gig and buying it, Fiverr's going to start promoting you, and then you can actually start making a decent amount of cash off of that. Back in the day, I sold revines on Vine, if you guys remember that. I sold the Instagram shoutouts. I still have a Fiverr account right now, and it's still pulling in a decent chunk of change. Like, it's not that much, but still, like a couple $100 in your pocket every month is like good enough for me to have a Fiverr account. The third way that I was making money is from affiliate marketing. So back in the day on Vine, I used to do R4R. It's basically the same thing as post for post or shout out for shout out. Basically, you revine my post, put it on your page, and I'll revine your post, put it on my page. And it's just kind of like a shout out for shout out. People back in the day on Vine, they didn't know how to make money. So I had this affiliate marketing group called Blue Market, and basically I would pay people $5 for every 10,000 views they got me. So every 10,000 views they got on my ad, I would give them $5, where on the back end, I was making anywhere from $15 to $20, depending on the ad, depending on the day, depending on the account as well, how active it was. But I hired 10 to 15 people, and I basically found something that worked and scaled up. Use affiliate marketing for anything, really. It just depends on your niche. So just find something that works, like I said, and if it works, start scaling up. That's how you make a lot of money. You have to find something that works and scale up. That's why I'm giving you guys a huge list of all the ways to make money. I'm saying to try them all out, and then once you figure out what works, then you scale up on the one that works and forget about the rest. But if the other ones don't take a lot of effort, then you might as well keep doing those as well. Like I said for Fiverr, you don't really have to do anything. You post one gig and then the money just keeps coming in. Money keep coming in. I can't lose. So the fourth way, So the fourth way that I make money is probably the most common way. It's from selling shoutouts. Again, like most of the time I would get people like hitting me up in the DMs, emailing me, whatever. But a lot of the times I would be looking at my competitor pages, and if I see them post a shout out, you already know, man, I would slide in their DMs, ask if they wanted to buy a shout out. I would tell them my prices, my pages, my bundles, everything. And usually I would just try to find people with similar niches that are selling shout outs, and then I'll try to, usually the best way to sell shout outs is in bulk. So you always want to offer like a really expensive, like 2-hour, 24-hour post, and then Tell them if they buy 7 posts and it's gonna be way cheaper, and that's usually how you get consistent customers that keep buying from you. And that's the best way to sell shoutouts on Instagram, is from consistency. Even if they're trying to bargain with you, let's just say I was selling like a 24-hour post for $200. Even if they're dropping it down to like $120, I would still do it. It's like free money, man. It's like, why not take $120? Even if it's $80 off of what your price is, it's still like you're getting paid to literally copy and paste. Like, there's just no reason for me not to take the money. Another way that I used to make money, I believe this is the 5th way, is by buying and selling accounts. And what I mean by this is that, let's say I have a bunch of car accounts, I would grow one really fast, and then I would hit up other businesses, other people that I know, and I would explain to them how this could help their business, grow it to like 5,000, 10,000 followers, and just sell it to them. And that was a good chunk of change as well. You could get a couple $100, even 1,000 sometimes. And I would also sell usernames as well. I used to have the username Ball, Thing, and View. Those accounts were kind of worth a lot. I remember I sold Ball for $5,000. Thing was like $1,000. And View, I think I sold it for like $500. But that was a huge mistake because that was in the beginning of Instagram, and I didn't realize how much it's worth right now. It's pretty crazy, actually. If you guys see the 1-letter usernames like @A, @B, @C, like those are literally worth like over 30 grand, like close to 50 grand. Like, it's just like a big flex, you know. It's just like Dubai oil princes, they all have like so much money, they don't even know what to do, so they just flex with this 1-letter username. It's just like, all right, dude, all right. That actually have a niche attached to it, like Ball or @Thing or @View. Like, those can be worth a lot as well, because let's just say, for example, when I had the username @Ball, I would literally get tagged in a photo, like, not even joking, like every 5 seconds. So that's like someone shouting you out every 5 seconds. So especially if you're just typing Ball on Instagram, you're gonna be the first one to pop up, especially if you're a meme theme page. And it's pretty much the same thing as domains on websites. So Instagram's kind of the same way, like OG usernames. But yeah, you can buy and sell those, but just be careful, guys, because there's a lot of scammers out there. They'll pay you, take the money back, or they'll take the account back somehow. A lot of people do that by linking their Facebook, and even though you change your password, your Facebook's still linked, and a lot of people don't know that, but that's how you can get scammed. So I would kind of stay away from that. But if you guys are into that niche, like where you buy and sell accounts and usernames, then go for it. This is probably my main source of income right now, is just from dropshipping. It's where you create a website and you just link it in your bio, and you just keep promoting it with your own accounts. And whatever theme you have, whatever niche you have, you just make a congruent dropshipping website, and you just keep promoting it. And basically all you have to do is order product. You take the profit you made from the item and send it to their house, basically. Like, literally, you just promote the website, you click order product, and you're done. You collect however much the difference is in the profit that you made. Another way you can make money off of Instagram is from sponsorships. So like I said before, if you guys don't already know, I love cars. So I have a bunch of car accounts, and I basically emailed a bunch of different companies. Like, I've literally probably emailed like 50, 60 different companies, just explaining. I just typed up this long, like probably couple paragraph essay, just saying how much I can help you. If you convince them that you're helping them more than they're helping you, then they're definitely gonna go for it. Because basically, I got a set of wheels and suspension.
Oh shit! Goddamn!
Which is basically like $3,000. And I got it for free just by adding the sponsor's name in the caption. I'll show it right here. You basically just have to convince them that you're helping them out more than they're helping out you, and they're gonna be all on board, especially if you're telling them how much stats you get on your Instagram profile, like how many people are visiting them, how much they could help you. Like, they even gave me a discount code too. And yeah, that's really cool. Again, this can work for any niche. It doesn't have to be cars. For example, if you have a fishing page, hit up some fishing websites, whatever, Cabela's, I don't even want to say the website name, but hit them up, tell them that you're going to help them out, get some free fishing poles, and let's go. Another way that I've been making money on Instagram, this is kind of like an outdated method, but you can make a blog. And I remember I did this before. I made like celebrity posts, and I would just have like crazy drama and stuff like that, and then it would be like top 10 things. So I don't know if you guys have ever seen the website where you have to click next to see the new post. The reason that why they're doing this is because every time you click next, it refreshes the page, gives you a whole set of new ads. It does work. I didn't really make that much money, but that's just an old ineffective method that I haven't been doing for a long time. Another way you can make money is by sending traffic to YouTube. I actually just got monetized like a couple days ago. My CPM is like $5.60. That basically means how much you get paid for 1,000 views. And it's really cool actually, because I've kind of been stopping all of these other methods to promote my YouTube channel, and now it's kind of starting to grow on its own, and I really can't thank you guys enough for that. And I think after this, I'm probably gonna stop promoting the YouTube on my Instagram pages. I'm gonna start promoting like drop shipping, all these other tactics, and I'm gonna be going into depth on them. Just a very broad informational video about all the ways to make money. So if you guys want to know anything specific, if you guys want me to cover any topic specifically, just leave a comment down below. I'm probably gonna do all of them, but just let me know what you guys want to see first. So yeah, I probably started grinding on this YouTube probably like 3 months ago. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, and I just hit it last week. So I'm really stoked right now, and I can't thank you guys enough. But YouTube probably has to be one of the coolest jobs you can have, because you pick a topic or a niche that you like doing. Like for example, cars, or like Instagram, or just making money online is everything that I like. And after this, I want to make another YouTube channel. But for now, all I'm trying to say is that you can promote your YouTube channel with your Instagram, and it could change your life, because it's probably the best job in the world right now, just making videos on stuff that you enjoy and getting paid to do it. And it's just one of the coolest things ever. Another way that I've been making money is by selling promos to people. What this means, let's say someone's at 1,000 followers, you tell them you'll get them to 2,000 followers, and you name a price. So usually back in the day, you charge like $100. So if you get someone 1,000 followers, you get them, and then they'll pay you $100 for that. And this could be one of the best methods of getting money. It depends on how many accounts you have. Like me, I have 10 accounts, so I can grow that relatively easily. And people will pay you because they're actually genuine active followers, and they know all of your pages. So that's another good method as well. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys want me to go in depth on any of these topics, make sure to leave a comment down below. Please like the video for the Instagram algorithm. If we get 200 likes on this video, I'll show you how much money I made total on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Again, have a grindy ass day. Grind says union. It's been your boy, Matty Bo. Peace out.